The city is hot.
You really have to pick us. This is why you should pick us. Yeah, because we have to win.
Starting 107.5. We're trying to get some honks. Oh yeah. For a big time rush and the Q107.5. Okay, Q107.5, we're gonna get our honks. We're advertising for a big time rush. See, we're advertising!
Yeah! Gotta live it big time. We got the full button. That's the
She's striking a pose for James. We got him. Whoa! We got a honk all the way down the street. Woo! That was a good one. That was a good one for the Q. And big time rush. Woo! Woo! They honked all the way down the street.
I like James because he is striking.
Striking.
And I love his Barracuda Man spray. What did you just say? I feel like he's striking.
When you meet him, are you going to tell him this?
No. That's so good on the video.
It sure is.
I don't know how.
Q107, my ball! We're getting the honks, oh yeah. That's just rude. Where's people's joy? Where's the Christmas spirit? Honk, honk.
We have to win this contest.
We have to win.
It's gonna be really sad if we don't.
We're almost done. Come on! We need another school bus to honk. Another school bus.
He's in.
Good honk, oh yeah. Good honk for the Q.
It's our dancing skills.
Yeah, yeah. See, I think we deserve to win. Worldwide.
I've been thinking about you.
Honk for the Q. We got 4 more minutes. A big truck. Woo! Honky woo! We definitely deserve to win after that one. We've gotten school buses to honk for the Q. We've got tractor trailers honking. Woo! Oh yeah, we are your best advertisement for the Q and big time rush. Oh yeah.
Big time rush. Big time rush. Oh God, yes I would.
Big time rush.
I just feel like, well, I don't know.
Are you getting this, James? James Manslow? Is that how you... I'm just a crazy mom, but, you know.
But you like Kendall. She's the crazy stalker kid. Not a stalker.
She likes James. She likes Carlos. And she likes Logan. Okay, now we're going to get the light, gas, and water truck to honk for the cute. We got a bus, a tractor trailer, and everything. Honk for the cute. Woo! Okay, honk it. That's why. Woo! Woo! That's Mr. Jackson. Woo! That's our third school bus. Car honk.